Here we have the new Inspire 2 case. This is by Drone World. Everything's really nicely organized in there. They've got a lot of great compartments. This is an awesome kit. I take it all around the world with me. I go flying with it, I go on buses with it, I take it to third world countries, and everything is always super safe inside.
We're out in the middle of nowhere, so carrying a lot of batteries is essential. You can carry 16 batteries. A dream come true for the one that flies and films. It comes in a nice SKV kit that has everything that you could possibly want for filming in Baja. With the stock antenna, it performs great, it has its limitations, but with the helicoil, what I get from that is better distance. I'm able to drop down behind things that I wouldn't be able to with the stock setup. I can generally fly lower with it and not have to worry about losing signal.
You're going to love this new kit because it comes standard with everything in DJI's Inspire 2 Premium Pack and also includes our brand new upgraded helical HD antenna. This case can hold up to 16 batteries, as well as more aftermarket accessories than any other case on the market. Our engineers have literally thought of everything when designing this case, and everything fits like a glove.